Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your goods and services tax return online. We will go through a simple, step-by-step process to make this task easy and stress-free. You will learn about preparing your essential documents, navigating the official online portal, and accurately entering your financial data. Finally, we will cover how to review your information and successfully submit your return, ensuring compliance and peace of mind. This guide aims to simplify the entire process for you. Before you begin, gathering your documents is a crucial first step. Make sure you have all your sales and purchase invoices readily available. You will also need your goods and services tax identification number, or GSTIN, along with your secure login credentials for the online portal. It is important to reconcile your input tax credit details and verify that all your financial records are completely up to date. This preparation saves valuable time and prevents errors during the filing process. Once your documents are ready, it is time to navigate the online portal. Begin by logging into the official Goods and Services Tax website using your unique GSTIN and password. Next, select the appropriate return form, such as GST R3B, which is commonly used for monthly filings. Carefully enter all your sales and purchase data into the designated fields. Remember to review all the information you have entered thoroughly to ensure accuracy before moving to the next stage. The final stage involves a thorough review and submission of your return. Double-check all figures for any discrepancies or errors, ensuring everything aligns with your records. Confirm your final tax liability and the input tax credit you are claiming. You will then choose your preferred method for e-verification, which could be through an electronic verification code or a digital signature certificate. Once verified, submit your goods and services tax return and remember to save the acknowledgement for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.